Hello everyone, I am Siddhant and welcome to my channel Siddhant Tech. In this video, you will be learning how to create this stunning frequency animation all made in PowerPoint. Stay tuned. Now I am on my PC and here I am using Microsoft PowerPoint 2019. So to create this frequency animation, you can use any version of PowerPoint except 2003 and 2007. So first step is to create your slide totally blank and then go to insert and go to shapes and go to here free form shape to create the interface of frequency animation, and then draw like I'm drawing here, like this. Be careful while drawing. Okay, and in the bigger one in the middle, a little bit bigger, smaller, and like this. And after you have completed drawing, then hit enter. Now it's a shape, you can play with it, you can give it color black, then you can give something like 3 pixels, like this. 3 pixels you can give. Not completed, again go to shapes and choose this oval shape like this and create a big oval shape like this. Okay, so now holding control, again create another like this. I'm doing, please follow all the steps on in this video very carefully. Black, go to no outline, and it's done. Now we are going to apply animation on this. So select this, go to animation, and here you have to, under emphasis you have to choose grow, and but it is not what we have expected from this. So select this, go to animation pane, and here we have to do some settings, and then go to effect options. Then here in this dialog box you have to pay attention, and first of all we are going to percent, enter, and again go to size and choose vertical, and here you have to play with smooth start and like that, bounce in something like that, and you have to click on auto reverse, then go to timing and here repeat. You have to click on until end of the slide like this. Okay, then all it's done. After it's all done, you have to click on OK. Okay, it's good, but you have to squeeze it little bit. So like this you can squeeze it. Okay, like this you can place it here also. You can place it like this. Okay, so now you have to go here and choose with previous, and in the duration you have to put 0.01 second, and now let's check it in the slide, so how it looks like. Okay, let us see. Okay, it's amazing. Wow, good. So here we have to fix one thing, that when it plays, actually this is not in the right position. So what we have to do is you have to, okay, so here we have the stunning frequency animation all made in PowerPoint. So for more videos like this, subscribe to Siddhant Tech, and I will see you in next video. Thanks for watching.